All right, so one last thing. I want to make the shape of a mushroom. And the mushroom isn't just a standard geometric shape. So I'm going to use the pen tool. The pen tool is an interesting tool that shows up in most vector graphics programs, like Vector.com or Adobe Illustrator is the big one. And I can click and drag, and it starts to draw a line, and then I can click, and if I then drag and click, it's going to draw straight lines. This is going to be like the stem of my mushroom. But if I come up here and click and then drag down or up, it starts to make a different type of a shape. So that's going to be kind of the end of my mushroom. If I come up to here, uh, same thing, I'm getting kind of a top of my mushroom shape there. If I come down here and click and drag, I'm not very good at this tool, but my mushroom doesn't need to be perfectly geometrical anyway. And here um, I get something that looks maybe something like that. It's not perfect, but on the other hand, like I said, mushrooms aren't the perfect shape anyway. And so I've got something that I can use as a mushroom shape. I'll give that a color here. What color is a mushroom? Kind of a brownish color, I guess. I'll go up into this area, maybe that kind of grayish brown. There we go. That looks okay. And I'll duplicate that. So I have a couple of mushrooms. Make them a little smaller. Rotate one of them maybe. And maybe you can practice and get better at the pen tool than I am.